Hi, my name is Diane Garcia. I am the DMV title clerk here at Adriana's Insurance DMV department. Today we're going to talk about the happiest place on earth. People smile when they hear about this. People love going to this place. Guess what it is? You got it, the DMV. The DMV can definitely be stress-free. It can be fun. How, you ask? By not going. What's the best thing about DMV? Not going to the DMV. What's the best way to avoid going to the DMV? Coming to us at Adriana's Insurance. We offer registration renewals, title transfers, suspensions, release of liabilities, and anything that has to do with your vehicle registration. So you ask, oh, how can Adriana's Insurance make it easier for you, make it stress-free, save you money? Well, you don't need to go to the DMV. You come to us, we are hassle-free, fast, instant, and you ask, what can we do? The number one service that we provide is registration renewals. What is a registration renewal, you ask? It's that thing you need on your vehicle to be able to drive here in the state of California. Every year you need to renew it, and you do get a registration renewal in the mail from the DMV. Instead of going to the DMV and standing in line, you can go ahead and come into Adriana's Insurance, and we can help you with the service of registration renewal. What is a registration renewal? You need to renew that every year. There is a fee for driving the vehicle here in California. All we need is your registration card or a registration renewal or the copy of your title. If you don't have any of those, not to worry. We can always offer you the Form 156 for you to fill out or the registered owner, and we can go ahead and provide you with your registration renewals and stickers instantly on the spot. What if you need a smog, you say? Well, if you need a smog, we can still pay your balance, we can still pay your fee, and we can give you an extension of 30 days to go ahead and get the smog done. Let us know that it's done and we'll release a sticker to you. So this way you don't have to accrue penalty or late fees. What is another service we provide? We can do title transfers as well. When you are ready to purchase a vehicle, the first thing you want to do is make sure that the vehicle's title is clean and that there are no tickets on that registration. You can give us a call at Adriana's. We're happy to assist you. You can do it online or on the phone or in person. All we need is a VIN number, plate number, make and year of the vehicle, and we can go ahead and do a free quote for you to let you know if there's anything on the vehicle that you must know before you purchase that vehicle. What is needed when you purchase a vehicle, you say? Well, we do need the original title filled and signed by the registered owner. We also need your signature on the back of the title. Well, what if I don't have a title, you ask? That's perfectly fine. We can also offer you the Form 227, and that one replaces the title, and we can ask for a duplicate title as well. So what if you purchase a vehicle from someone who is not the registered owner or the name on the title does not match the person that you purchased it from? Not a problem. All we need is the original title. If you do not have that one, we can always issue you out a Form 227. And if you did not purchase it directly from the person on the title, all we need is another form. And that form is a 262. That is a vehicle transfer ownership paper that lets us know all the previous owners that were on this vehicle. That way DMV can go ahead and review and make sure that these registered owners are okay and that they purchased it directly from the person on the title. One of the other services that we provide here at Adriana's Insurance for you is also removal of suspensions on your vehicle. How does a suspension happen on your vehicle? It is due to a lapse in insurance of any kind or length. It could be 1 day, it could be 10 days, it could be 6 months. As long as there is a lapse in insurance, DMV will automatically suspend your registration. So if you go directly to the DMV and stand in line and go try and pay for your registration to be removed, it will take you 7 to 10 business days for DMV to remove the suspension. You come here to us at Adriana's Insurance, you come to me, and I can go ahead and remove that suspension within 30 to 35 minutes. What is it that you need to remove a suspension? All you need is valid insurance on the vehicle. We do need to pay the fee to remove the suspension, and we do need a registration to let us know the VIN, make, and plate of the vehicle. We also offer the service of releasing the liability on your vehicle when you sell the vehicle. This you can do with the Form 138, and you just let us know the information of the new owner and your information, and we can go ahead and release that liability for you here at Adriana's. Okay, so just to summarize, here at Adriana's, we can offer the exact same services that you would get done going into the DMV, except we save you time, we save you money, We save you stress and we save you headache. Come here to us at Adriana's and we can assist you with all your DMV service needs instantly and fast. Once again, my name is Diane Garcia. I work at Adriana's Insurance with DMV Department, and we'll see you in the next video.